Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is exciting. It is on some new hair that I did receive from Sensationnel. Well, it's sort of new. I already did a live styling this wig. So if you want to see it fresh, brand new out the pack, you can go back and check that live out, and I'll link it up here or down in the description down below so you can see what the wig looked like when it came fresh out the pack. I do have this wig after I wore it. This was my Valentine's Day hair, so I did style the wig and wear it on Valentine's Day, but after that I have not worn the wig at all. I did customize the unit and I did style it in a side part and a ponytail. I added a couple little layers, but outside of that I didn't change much. So I did end up showing the live to Sensationnel, and they loved it and was like, ooh, can you make an actual video and not just a live? So today I'm doing just that. I'm making a video with the new Glamora unit #1, and I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. So first things first, I'm going to take the style out so that we can start fresh and I can show you exactly what I did. But again, I might style it just slightly differently this time, because if you want to see this exact same style, you could just watch the live, right? So let's do something a little different. I think I still do want to do a ponytail, and actually I'm gonna just cut it because I don't want to put the hair under so much tension by pulling out this ponytail. I mean this rubber band. All right, so I just cut the rubber band out. And I'm going to grab my brush. Let me take this other bobby pins out. I did end up using a lot of hairspray on her, so let's see how it does combing the hairspray out. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks pretty good. Now this unit is in color #1. So this is a jet black unit. Wow, she still looks really pretty and is in great condition. Like I said, I did wear this on Valentine's Day. And I styled her with a lot of hairspray and a lot of product, but she still looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. If you guys like the head wrap that I'm wearing, it is 2 head wraps that I wrap together. This is the Glee and the Luja wrap. So I'll link this so you guys can check this out if you want to grab some head wraps. I love me a good head wrap when my hair is not done. That's the one thing everybody does not tell you. You cut your hair into these short bobs and these pixies. Honey, when you don't feel like doing your hair, watch out. That hair is gonna be looking crazy. This wig is looking very fresh and very good for it to have literally just been sitting there, not in a pack or a box or anything. It's looking very pretty. I almost feel like I could wear it down, to be honest. It's really cute. It could just be worn down for real. I don't know what we should do. Maybe we should just wear it down. I feel like it's really pretty. Down. And since I already have pictures and videos of me styling it, I think I'll just leave it down. So I'm gonna show you how I apply it. All right, here we go. We are done with the makeup. I did just complete my makeup on live. If you guys are not following me or not subscribed and aren't following me on YouTube, I do a lot of lives and a lot of fun content on this channel, and you're definitely missing out if you're not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, especially for my lives, because we be having a good old time on live. I'm just letting you know. I'm here to let you know we have a great time. This is the unit. It looks so good. It looks so pretty. I love the way it falls. I love the way the curls hit, and I love this nice everyday length that's not too much to deal with. It's very easy to deal with. This is my second time wearing the unit. As I said, I did wear this unit on Valentine's, and that was the only time that I wore it, and it's still really beautiful. It was a very comfortable unit to wear as well for that day that I was wearing it. I do not sleep in my units. I always take my wigs off at night. That's why I only ever just use adhesive sprays, and I rarely ever use glues, especially on my synthetic units, because I don't like to sleep in my wigs. I feel like that's the fastest way for your wigs to sorry y'all, I'm too busy looking at this wig. It looks so pretty. I'm like, what? Girl, yes. Come on, Synthetica. It's the fastest way for your wigs to get old, crunchy, and yeah, I just don't want to do it. So I don't sleep in my wigs, and I don't recommend anybody sleep in their wigs, especially not their synthetic wigs. But yeah, so anyway, what you guys think? Do you like the unit? I think she is really fun and fabulous, and just looks really good. I cannot stop touching it. I can't stop looking at it. Like, it's cute. I'm here for this unit. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.